Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Rogers Kakasungura YouTube channel. It's a big thank you to each and every one of you for your continued support. As we head to the festive season, I pray that may Lord keep you safe. Festive season is a very dangerous season where the devil is overworking. Increased accidents, increased deaths. But how I pray that if you're listening to this audio, I pray may God keep you safe until we meet next year, 2025. You also pray for me. I pray for you. We move together. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to move straight to politics. And William Ruto is receiving a blow. The courts are teaching William Ruto a lesson. And today, the High Court declared the new university funding model as illegal and unconstitutional. I read malice from this one and asked a question on how the Ministry of Education was running their placements. You find two people from the same family, but placed under different bands. It raises the question of credibility of the system. So if the two of you come from the same family, it means the parents have the same level of income. So we expect the two of us to be placed under the same band. But when you find we are from the same family, one is in band 1 and one has been sent to band 4, it creates some kind of suspicion. Justice Chacha Mwita ruled today that the fund introduced in May last year is unlawful due to its lack of legal foundation. The one I'm asking, it is discriminatory nature. Discriminatory means we are from the same family. One is being placed in band 1 and one in band 5. Someone is from a poor family, is placed, I don't know, band what. It discriminates. And it failed to involve public participation at the inception stage. According to the judge, the changes are the flagship of the President William Ruto did not adhere to the necessary legal provisions when they were creating the model. Mwita has now directed the Education Cabinet Secretary Julius Migos, the Attorney General, the Higher Education Loans Board, that is HELP, and the trustees of the Universities Fund Kenya and the Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Service KUSIPS not to proceed with the implementation of the funding model. As we all know, for those of you who read the news, the case was filed by the Kenya Human Rights Commission, that is last year in 2023. According to William Ruto's propaganda, I don't call them facts because they have no basis, the HELP funding model was intended at addressing financial challenges in public universities and technical and vocational education and training That is the defects in institutions. Now, the petitioners said that the new model created confusion in selecting TVET courses as students faced delays due to lack of clear instructions from COSIPs. Judge Mwita, on his part, condemned the government's move to shift the responsibility to parents, saying that it's the government's responsibility to fund public universities. The judge also added that passing the responsibility to parents was a violation of the Constitution, adding the legitimate anticipation was infringed. Ladies and gentlemen, when this funding model was being marketed by William Ruto himself, I sat in a certain corner weeks ago. I think that was in October. Yes, that was in October this year. I sat in one of the corners and asked Kenyans, how does this government identify students who are supposed to be in band 1, band 2, 3, 4, 5? How does it do identification? Because there were scenarios where unapata mtu masikini hoi hai amewekwa kwa bandi ya matajiri, na unapata tajiri kupindukia amewekwa kwa bandi ya maskini. Now the biggest question is, which criteria was the Ministry of Education using to classify students? But in one of the meetings, a slip of the tongue, Ruto said it's the artificial intelligence, the AI, the new technology, mnasema artificial intelligence. Now, the biggest question tonight is, William Ruto going to respect this court decision of suspending the model and stopping universities, lecturers, etc. from doing its implementation? Ladies and gentlemen, things are elephant. If you're watching this, make sure you click the subscribe button and remember to turn on the notification bell. God bless you. See you in the next episode. Asanteni sana.